Hey everybody, this is your buddy pal London Hawthorne, and I'm here with yet another unboxing. This one shipped from Walmart.com in Johnstown, New York. It's kind of funny they split my order up. One came from Indiana and one came from New York. As always, I want to say thanks for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. It's just me buying groceries or buying stuff. Some stuff I don't need, but most stuff I do need as cheap as possible. It's a game. I like having fun and saving money and getting stuff I like. Oh, nice. So this is a Black & Decker waffle maker. Ugh. Let's make sure this is everything in there. Yep. So this is a Black & Decker Belgian flip waffle maker. So I am in the process of a weight loss journey, and I have heard that there's a thing called chaffles, which are like, instead of like a waffle base, like batter and stuff, you use cheese. So it's a cheese waffle, a chaffle. So more than likely there will be no traditional waffles made with this. It's just going to be chaffles. There may be an occasional one if I get like a protein, something low carb, but I live a low carb life at the moment. No, I've lost like 194.6 pounds. Not like I'm keeping track or anything, but it's finding healthier alternatives of things I love, like waffles or pizza or something. So this is going to help. This is Black & Decker, pretty much one of the top tier brands there is. I'm not sponsored by Black & Decker, but Black & Decker, if you'd like to sponsor my videos, please feel more than welcome to. Slide up in my DMs. I pay for this stuff out of my own money. You know, if you like cool t-shirts, you could help support my channel by going to riptapparel.com. That's rippedapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Use my username as your coupon code. You'll save a couple bucks off your order. So it's pretty sweet. Usually like covers your shipping and stuff. So London Hawthorne at rippedapparel.com or onceuponat.net. You can also cash at me at London Hawthorne if you'd like. You know, why not? When in Rome. It's 2020, y'all. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please subscribe. Please share. My dog's barking, so I gotta go see what's going on. And yeah, thanks so much for watching my video. If you have any suggestions for healthy recipes to use with my Black & Decker Belgian flip waffle maker, by all means, let me know. Have a great day.